The EST Tetro is a cool new robot designed to clean stairs on its own. Its standout feature is its ability to change shape to fit different types of stairs. The robot is made up of separate modules that can connect or disconnect, so it can stretch out to clean wide stairs or shrink down to fit narrow ones. It's also packed with smart sensors like cameras, lasers, and ultrasonic sensors that help it navigate around obstacles while cleaning. These sensors make sure the robot doesn't miss a step and can clean stairs effectively, even in tricky spots. While the EST Tetro is still in development and not available for sale yet, it's an exciting glimpse into the future of cleaning technology. Once it's ready, it will make cleaning stairs way easier and quicker, whether at home, in an office, or in public spaces. Festo Bionic Kangaroo. The Festo Bionic Kangaroo is a cool robot inspired by how kangaroos hop. Just like these amazing animals, the robot is built to be energy efficient. Every time it jumps, it collects and stores energy, using it wisely for the next leap. It moves just like a real kangaroo, effortlessly hopping with style. This robot uses a mix of air-driven and electric systems, powered by rechargeable batteries and a portable energy source. It also has a small compressor that helps store air pressure for its jumps, making each hop smooth and powerful. Thanks to this clever design, the Bionic Kangaroo can jump high and far without wasting energy. What's really fun is that you can control the Bionic Kangaroo using a special wristband. It reacts to your gestures, making it an interactive and entertaining experience. This robot is a great example of how nature inspires new ideas. By looking at the way kangaroos move, engineers have created a robot that can bring that energy and agility into our world. The Fixa 25 is a cutting-edge commercial drone designed to be efficient and versatile. Powered entirely by electricity, this autonomous drone can fly long distances of up to 186 miles on a single battery charge. It's built to carry up to 22 pounds of cargo, making it perfect for tasks like delivering medical supplies to hard-to-reach areas, assisting in search and rescue missions, and more. The Fixar 25 is also great for monitoring and inspecting difficult-to-access places like wind turbines and pipelines. Additionally, it's perfect for mapping and surveying large areas quickly and accurately. This drone operates on its own using an autopilot system, which ensures smooth, reliable flights. Thanks to XR control software, it can fly autonomously, even beyond your line of sight, meaning you don't have to keep it in your view as it works. With its strong performance and high-tech features, the Fixar 25 is changing how businesses handle logistics, surveillance, and inspections. Holobot is more than just a chatbot. It's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. Whether you need help with finding information, getting recommendations, or even making reservations, Holobot is always ready to assist you. It uses natural language processing, so it understands your questions and responds in a friendly, easy-to-understand way. The best part? The more you interact with it, the smarter it becomes, learning from your past chats to improve its responses over time. Holobot works on any device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer, so you can access it anytime, anywhere. Plus, your privacy and security are top priorities, so your data is always safe and protected. Available 24/7, Holobot isn't just another chatbot. It's a smart virtual assistant that makes life easier. Whether you're looking for information, need a recommendation, or just want some help with tasks, Holobot is there to make your day more convenient and fun. The Hyundai Supernal is a futuristic electric air taxi that will revolutionize city travel by 2028. This sleek aircraft, known as an eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, is designed to carry up to 4 passengers and their luggage. In the beginning, a human pilot will be in control, but in the future, the aircraft is expected to fly on its own. The Supernal SA2 has 8 rotors that tilt to adapt to different flying needs. 4 rotors at the front tilt up for vertical takeoff, while the back 4 face down. Once in the air, all 8 rotors shift to horizontal for smooth, plane-like flight. It can travel up to 120 miles per hour and cover distances of 25 to 40 miles on a single charge. Perfect for skipping traffic, this air taxi will be much quieter than traditional helicopters, making it ideal for quick trips between suburbs and city centers. Meet the pet toy Biddle, a small, agile robot dog designed to ignite your passion for STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. This programmable pup lets you customize its behaviors and functions, making it perfect for learning and experimentation. As an open source project, you can easily modify both its design and software to meet your needs. Despite its tiny size, Biddle offers impressive performance, ideal for studying four-legged robotics. You can add visual sensors to help it understand its environment better. A specialized Arduino board allows Biddle to recognize simple and complex hand movements, making interaction easy and fun. Control Biddle through a smartphone app and program it using languages like Python, C++, or even block-based coding. The kit comes with everything you need, including a rechargeable battery pack, a wireless dongle for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and 8 servos that enable walking and head movements. Disney has revealed a cool new robot called Robot Rabbit, and it's definitely something to talk about. This innovative robot has some mind-blowing abilities. It can tumble, fall, get back up, and even pop out of a box with ease. Imagine a tiny robot, kind of like Judy Hopps from Zootopia, that can skate at high speeds while perfectly balancing. Now that's pretty amazing. What makes this even cooler is that Disney is planning to use Robot Rabbit in Disneyland parks for food and drink vendors. Picture it rolling around, bringing snacks and drinks to visitors. How fun is that? But that's not all. With its incredible moves and skills, this little bot might even one day compete with big names in robotics like Atlas. This is just the beginning, and as Disney continues to push boundaries with technology, who knows what's next? Robot Rabbit could be the first of many robotic innovations that change how we experience theme parks in the future. SpaceX Heavy Moon Base. A moon base is an incredible idea that could change the future of space exploration. SpaceX is leading the way in making this dream a reality, especially with their powerful Starship spacecraft and Super Heavy rocket. They are also developing a reusable transportation system to move people and cargo between Earth, the Moon, and even Mars. When fully reusable, the Starship can carry up to 150 metric tons, and if used just once, it can transport a huge 250 metric tons, making it the most powerful launch vehicle ever built. The excitement for a moon base is growing fast, especially with NASA's Artemis missions, which will send humans back to the moon for the first time in over 50 years. The Artemis 3 mission will be a game changer, as astronauts will travel to the lunar surface using Starship, which will dock near the lunar South Pole. Future missions will explore the moon's surface even more, equipped with the tools and resources needed for detailed research. The Sparkle Tornado is a cool, wearable air conditioner that keeps you comfortable in the heat, wherever you are. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just running errands, this device gives you a refreshing breeze with 5 lightweight fans that simulate the feeling of natural wind. It's designed to sit comfortably around your neck, and its ergonomic shape ensures you can wear it for hours without discomfort. Made from skin-safe silicone, the Sparkle Tornado is durable, able to withstand high temperatures, UV light, and even radiation. It also absorbs sweat, keeping you fresh and odor-free during hot days. Plus, it operates at just 45 dB, meaning it's whisper quiet, so it won't disturb your peace while you're outdoors or working. The device is perfect for outdoor adventures, allowing you to stay cool without worrying about heat. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to use, with just a simple button to activate the breeze. Star Chase is a game-changing GPS tracking system inspired by action movies, designed to help police track suspect vehicles without leaving their cars. Just like in the French film Taxi, where police use a special cartridge to follow suspects, this system takes things further by letting officers control the tracking from inside their own vehicle. The system is installed near the car's front grille and uses a unique pneumatic mechanism with a special glue to keep it in place. Even if the officer steps out of the car and the suspect tries to flee, the officer can still track the vehicle using a remote control. The system has proven to be effective, with an 85% success rate and more than 10,000 sensors already in use. With a price tag around $6,000, Star Chase is a cutting-edge tool for modern law enforcement, offering a safer and more efficient way to track and stop suspects in high-speed situations. It's the perfect blend of technology and safety, making police work smoother and more effective. The Sunseeker Predator 75 is a stunning luxury yacht that perfectly combines style and performance. With its sleek, modern design featuring large glass windows and shiny stainless steel details, this yacht is sure to turn heads. Owners can even choose from 4 bold hull colors to make it uniquely theirs. Powered by twin MAN V12 engines, the Predator 75 can reach speeds of up to 46 miles per hour, ideal for those who crave excitement and adventure on the water. But don't worry, comfort is just as important. The spacious deck offers comfortable seating, a large TV unit, and a huge sunroof, so you can enjoy amazing views while you relax. Below deck, there's plenty of room to host up to 8 guests and 2 crew members in style. Whether you want to speed across the water or unwind in comfort, this yacht has it all. It's designed for those who want the best of both worlds, luxury and excitement. While it's definitely an investment, the Sunseeker Predator 75 offers an unforgettable experience. Tesla Optimus Gen 2. The Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is an exciting leap in humanoid robot technology. It comes with special actuators and sensors that allow it to handle delicate items like eggs without damaging them. This new version is 10 kilograms lighter than its predecessor, making it more agile and easier to move. One of its standout features is the new toe design, which improves balance and increases walking speed by 30%. With 11 degrees of freedom, it can move in a variety of ways, and its fingers are sensitive enough to grip objects with precision. Priced between $10,000 and $20,000, the Optimus Gen 2 is an affordable option for businesses looking to explore robotics. It offers a practical solution at a cost similar to human labor, making it more accessible for industries. This robot is poised to change how automation works across many fields. Unitree Go 2. Introducing the Unitree Go 2, a next-gen robot that's revolutionizing the tech world. This amazing 4-legged robot is designed with embodied artificial intelligence, which means it can physically interact with its surroundings. Thanks to its advanced 4D LAR L11 technology, the Go 2 senses its environment in a way that's truly impressive, gathering information from different dimensions, including time. Not only is the Go 2 super smart, but it's also incredibly easy to use and versatile, making it perfect for all kinds of tasks. And the best part? It comes at a very affordable price of just $1,600. The robot is equipped with a 360-degree recognition system, allowing it to see everything around it and move through complex spaces without a hitch. It connects through Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and 4G, so you can control it and send HD images through an app. The battery lasts between 2 to 4 hours, so it's ready to go without the need for constant recharging. The Voodoo XF60 Rapide is the ultimate yacht for those who love speed and luxury. Built by PUD Yachts in New Zealand, this sleek 59-foot yacht can reach speeds of over 47 miles per hour thanks to its innovative foil-assisted design. It's perfect for those who crave thrilling rides across the water. Inside, the Voodoo XF60 Rapide offers 4 stylish cabins, 2 bathrooms, and an additional day head, giving you plenty of space and comfort. It's not just about speed. This yacht is designed for adventure too. It's equipped with a dive compressor for underwater exploration, and it has a salt ice maker and plenty of room for water toys. Plus, a large water maker lets you enjoy extended trips without worrying about running out of fresh water. Whether you're racing across the waves or relaxing in luxury, this yacht delivers the best of both worlds. Wearable is a cool product from a Norwegian startup that lets photographers and videographers capture dynamic footage in a new way. It's a compact cable system that works as a great alternative to drones for shooting moving visuals. The Wearable Lite version is lightweight, silent, and easy to use. It can carry gear up to 1.2 kilograms and offers 3 hours of runtime on a single charge. Setting it up is super quick. You can have it ready in just 3 minutes. Plus, it can reach speeds of 12.5 meters per second, giving you smooth, exciting motion for creative shots. What's great about Wearable is that it gives you a new way to shoot without the hassle of drones. Whether you're filming outdoor adventures, sports, or creative projects, this system offers versatility and fun in a portable package. And the best part? The Wearable Lite kit is affordable at just $424, so it's an awesome option for creators looking to level up their videos without breaking the bank. The Zero Body Dry Float is a revolutionary way to relax and refresh your body and mind without needing to get wet. Imagine floating in warm water, feeling completely weightless, but without the hassle of changing into special clothes or even stepping into the water. This innovative system uses over 400 liters of warm water to create a soothing, floating sensation that helps ease tension and stress. Not only does it help relieve muscle and joint pain, but it also improves sleep quality and boosts your concentration, making it perfect for anyone wanting to improve their overall wellness. Whether you're at a hotel, wellness clinic, or even at home, the Zero Body Dry Float fits perfectly into your lifestyle. The experience is simple and comfortable. Just lie down and relax. It offers more flexibility than traditional float tanks while still providing the same calming benefits. What's more, the system is designed to cater to your personal needs, ensuring a customized wellness experience.